Today I'm going to be recreating sounds from Hello Neighbor. First of all, it's the sound when you land. Do you guys know it? And it's like, here, I'm going to try to recreate it. It's like exactly like that. I got that on first try. I'm surprised. Okay. The next sound is basically when you place something down and it's like this. Like, it's different though. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay. I think it's that. And now it's the walking sound, which that's not how it sounds though. My voice probably sounds weird because I'm pretty sure I'm getting sick, but I'm okay. It's not that bad, trust me. So the walking sound. Here you guys go. You're gonna see like from this view. This is so weird. Okay, here. Something like that. I don't know how it sounds on video. Next is the sound of going in the air. Now this one's gonna be easy. Hopefully you heard that. Rest in peace, the ears of innocence. Okay. Now what sound should I create next? The sound from Hello Neighbor. Although I don't have his voice. I'll just try my best. Is that a roach? There's a roach. There's a roach. Go, go, go. Okay, but it's like this. What about the sounds of the neighbor walking? Aren't they like the same? Pretty sure they're like this. Something like that. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm like losing my mind. Bye.